Okay, I kind of went off camera a little bit, and this is what I'm able to reveal. Goes to focus. Sorry, not the best camera quality, but okay. Let's see what else I can do. Apparently this won't go too far because it's got wires connected to the inside of it. So if I go further, I might end up damaging it or ripping one of the wires. So this is a little tricky. So I need to somehow unscrew this board here. Not sure how exactly, but I guess I could try. There we go. You can see, there we go. I literally can't bend this too far. I could be damaging it right now as we speak. I'm not an expert on this, but I'm just doing this for entertainment. And hopefully I don't damage this. And now, let's see if I get that loose. Seems like it's still caught on to something. Well, that's as far as I really want to go, actually. As far as I'm going to get in the camera lens. But if I wanted to, I could easily. There's. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but right here. There's like this is the camera lens right here, and there's this little square piece that's the filter. I really don't want to go too far, honestly. I just wanted to see what kind of looks like on the inside mainly. And I already now know, so I kind of got what I needed. All I really need to do is get to this section, which I don't think there's really much in there, honestly. We're in a barrel over, so I should be fine to drill a hole in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back. Carefully. And there's also another piece that should be clean. There's like, I don't know, it looks like some sort of inside there, some sort of semiconductive film, I don't know, of some sort, right in these two that make contact. Those are a little dirty, so I'm gonna get time to clean this. Should have some sort of glass cleaner or something. Here's some glass cleaner. can see it in here. Underneath this part, underneath that board, is the camera processor. I just showed you the lens. And this here is the flash capacitor. Whenever dealing with these things, make sure you discharge these first before ever working with this. Make sure there's no power running through here and this is completely discharged. Because these could go over 300 volts. 300. Hello. I'm back. So now I'm going to be assembling the camera. I was waiting for my camera I'm using to record with to recharge. Today's day 2 on working on this. Now, let's get to it. That's weird. Well, I guess I assume that goes in there because it's marked. I had them in order. So that's screw 19. So that's obviously weird. Again, this ain't exactly a tutorial. I'm just doing this for my own entertainment and for your entertainment. I'm not a huge expert, I would say. So if you do attempt this, attempt it at your own risk. It's not the easiest to pull back. If I pull back too far, I could risk damaging it. So I try not to pull it back too far. You gotta make sure that I'm getting this in the camera. This lamp I just built does its job real well. It's an RGB lamp. If we could get the remote, we could change the colors of it. Luckily I keep my remote in a safe place. Stupid thing likes to interfere with my other lights. Huh. Maybe that'll be for another video. To fix that, make it more direct like a laser infrared beam. Then the light scattering everywhere. And make infrared detection disc or something. Now, time to get some of the ribbons in place. Why this bugger doesn't want to go in? This is for the little tiny display inside the lens. There's a little display inside this part. This part right here, there's a little display in there, like a little miniature screen. Oh, here ya. Now it's getting in there, now it slides right into place. With this stuff, you just take your time. Okay, that's latched. Again, if you're willing to risk doing this, I would not do this with your best camera like I am doing. But this camera did have a bit of an issue with the battery connector right here. So I really hope this works. Screw fitting, done. Oh, stupid pliers. Sometimes newer technology malfunctions when you take it apart. That's why when it comes to like making night vision cameras, it works better with older digital cameras, with the older models, because they don't tend to glitch out when you take them apart and then put them together. Like phones don't do real well with that. Oh, I forgot a little ribbon. That might not be a good thing.